So guys, remember our previous discussion on day 6 topic? Let me show you the slide. Wait. So we are completed our deployment scenario. Okay, deployment scenario. So let me show you the slide, day 6 slide. So I hope it's clear how to replace a device, in FORTIMANAGER scenario. I hope this concept is clear. Mundal, Kansham.
Yes, yes.
Now we
Yes.
can focus on diagnostic and troubleshooting concept. So for diagnostic and troubleshooting, here we can use some CLI command. So the topic is today diagnostic and troubleshooting. Into this topic, we can focus on all the CLI command to examine or troubleshoot connectivity issue, verify process status, and how to restart any process. Okay, diagnose registration, import, and installation issue. So if you are facing some problem to import the policy, to install the policy, to register device, so you can discuss into this section, diagnose registration, import, and installation issue between FortiManager and FortiGate device. And now next topic is identify the best practice for database integrity. And yes, you need to discuss about how to recover database integrity. What is the command we can use to recover our database integrity? So let's focus on some basic CLI command. So guys, we have these command, okay? We have these command, basic command you can say, for troubleshooting. For example, if I know about, if I want the current status of FortiManager, like for example, I want to verify serial number, firmware version, or HS status information. So you can use this command. Same command we are using on FortiGate firewall device, right everyone? This command, remember? Get system
Yes.
status command.
Yes, yes.
You can use same command on FortiGate firewall box. All command you can use on FortiGate firewall box, okay? So get system status. This command can give you the idea about the current status, like serial number, you can verify firmware version, ADOM status, HS status information, you can verify with this command. Okay, get system performance command. In case if you want to verify CPU utilization information, memory utilization information, disk utilization information, so you can go with get system performance command. So overall resource utilization about CPU, memory, and disk. Now, if you want to verify, process information, okay, top process information, so you can go with execute top command, or you can go with execute IO top. It's called input output. So execute top command, you can use list the process with high CPU and memory uses, and execute IO top list process with high input output users. Now, in case if you want to verify all crash log information, if there is any crash log information available in FortiGate, and if you want to verify, so you can use diagnose, debug, crash log, read. Munral, Ghanshyam,
Yep.
guys, I'm not using all the commands, okay?
Yep, yep.
I'm giving you idea, okay? In real scenario, see, these command we are using for troubleshooting, okay? So these command you can use in a real scenario, okay? So I'm only giving you the idea, okay? As per requirement, as per scenario, you can use. So in case if you want to verify all crash log information, or in case if you want packet sniff, if you want to capture the packet, so diagnose sniffer packet. If you guys remember this concept, diagnose sniffer packet
Yeah.
information in FortiGate firewall box, same command you can use to capture the packet, okay? So okay, next option, testing device reachability from FortiManager. So ping command, okay, for SSH. Now to verify FDFM tunnel is up or not, you can see the FDFM session list, or if you remember this command to verify all registered device information, diagnose DVM device list. With this command, you can get all devices list information. Now, here we have a command diagnose system print df. So in case if you want to verify disk partition information, because FortiManager is based on Linux operating system, so we have multiple partitions. So if you want to verify partition information, so you can go with df command. Df command we are using in Linux scenario. Okay, so it's a common command. Okay, in Linux we are using df to verify partition information. Okay, so in case if you want to use all the commands, so let me show you like what is get system performance. If you want to verify this get system performance command, remember I told you this command we can use to verify resource utilization. We can verify CPU, memory, and disk information. So you can type get system performance command. So you can get CPU utilization like right now, for example, as per this slide, you can get CPU utilization information, approx 7% utilization, memory utilization, hard disk utilization, you can see. So in a single page, you can get all CPU, memory, and hard disk utilization information. Command is get system performance. Next, if you want to verify process information, because multiple processes are running in background, okay? So you want to verify all process information in FortiManager, okay? Because you are facing some problem. Maybe your FortiManager is working very slow, okay? So you need to verify the real time process information. So you can type execute top. With this command, you can get all process information, okay? These are the process information, and these process is defined by main administrator, you can say. CPU utilization, memory utilization, you can see. Time information, you can see. So process information, you can verify with this command, execute top. Execute IO top. This command you can use to verify high input output uh, information. For example, see, execute IO top. Display the process that are responsible for high input output uses. Now we can use other command, for example, packet sniffer. I'm not using packet sniffer, everyone, but you can verify. Mundal, Ghanshyam, clear my point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, you can use as per your requirement, I told you. Okay, so but I'm giving you the command syntax idea. So packet sniffer command, yes, we can use to sniff the packet, to capture the packet in between FortiGate and FortiManager. So diagnose sniffer command you can use. Syntax is same. You can use any command, or you can define port number, up to you. Okay, information, host information, port information, and these information we are using for some verbose like timestamp information, or print the header of the packet information. We can see one is what, one packet information. Five is what, any idea? It's a print the header of packet. One is what, timestamp. So you can use diagnose sniffer packet command to sniff the packet information for troubleshooting. Maybe some connectivity issue, you are facing some problem to restore your device, so you need to verify. Maybe you have a connectivity in between FortiManager and FortiGate firewall box. You have a connectivity, but if whenever you are trying to restore that registered device, you are facing some issue. So here you can get packet drop information or complete packet information. Now processes status. So if you want to verify all processes status information, and if any process pending, Mundal, okay? For example, approx 40 processes are running in background and one process is not running. It's pending list. I want to verify all pending process list information. So we can use this command diagnose DVM process list. Here you can get what? Pending information. So 81 tasks, 81 process are pending right now. Clear? If multiple processes are running in background, and if you want to verify, see, either you can go with a graphical page. In task monitor, you can verify. With graphical page, you can go with task monitor. With task monitor, here you can verify, you can monitor all the activity with graphical page, or with CLI option, you can use diagnose DVM process list. So all pending task information you can verify. Clear my point?
Yep.
Okay, now you can use some debug command. See, debug command here we have, for example, diagnose debug enable and diagnose debug timestamp enable. This command you can use. This command you can use to enable debug output on SSH and telnet sessions. Okay, this command you can use to verify device level operation. You can debug device level operation like registration process, delete information, refresh information, auto update information, resynchronization process with this command. So you can use these command for troubleshooting. Okay, diagnose debug command. Let's go with the next option. For example, okay, now we can focus on file system integrity. So what is file system integrity? So you can see this option. An abnormal shutdown can cause corruption of the file system and database. So if your FortiManager is restarting multiple time, okay, or any abnormal shutdown is happens, so you can face issue. Okay, it can cause corruption of file system or database. In that case, what you can do, you need to restart gracefully. Okay, you can, with the command or with the graphical page, you can decide, you can restart or shut down your FortiManager device. But in case if your FortiManager is restarting multiple time, okay, and some file system issue you are facing, see, this is the error. This is the error, everyone. If there's any issue with file system and database, you can get this message, everyone. You can get this message. Message is what? The disk was not unmounted properly. You should run this command, diagnose system FSCK hard disk. This is what? A command to repair your file system and database. Mundal, Sham?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sham?
Yes.
See, guys, whenever you see, if you start your FortiManager, for example, and if you get this message, okay, in console, if you get this message, the disk was not unmounted properly, you should run the command. It means there is some problem in file system. Okay, maybe your FortiManager is restarting multiple time. Okay, so you can face this issue. So to resolve this issue, to arrange your file system or to repair your file system or database, you can use this command in FortiManager, diagnose system FSCK hard disk. Okay, you can use this command to repair your file system. It will take time. After some time, it will restart your FortiManager, and it will repair automatically the file system and database. So this command we can use for to repair our file system or to repair our database information. Okay, best practice for database integrity: always perform a graceful shutdown before turning off FortiManager using this command. So whenever or anytime if you want to shut down your FortiManager device, so always go with graceful shutdown. Ungraceful shutdown or power off can cause damage to internal database. Now, database integrity. Okay, now you can check some database integrity. There's some issue with database, so you can go with these command. Let me give you some idea about these command. For example, diagnose DVM check integrity. With this command, what you can verify? You can verify the correct path of device manager database. Okay, with this command, diagnose CDB upgrade check object integrity. With this command, you can get object configuration database integrity. So I'm not using this command, okay, but these command can help you. Mundal, everyone, these command
Yeah.
you can use in real scenario. See, I'm not using these command in classes, okay, because I'm not familiar with this. These command most of the time we are using on troubleshooting time. Ansham, Mundal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know the exact output. See, as a trainer, I don't know the exact output exactly, okay? But this is the what this is official slide. FORTIMANAGER official slide. So that's why I'm giving you the idea, okay? This is official slide. So these commands you can use for database integrity, to repair database integrity. The slide can help you, you know, whenever you are troubleshooting your network. So the slide can help you. Database integrity. Okay, so try to use this command. For example, if there is any issue with any database, so you can find out here. Command is diagnose DVM check integrity. If everything is correct, so no issue found, no issue found. But in case if you are getting a message, wait, for example, with this command you are trying to verify database integrity, everything is correct, so 100% is correct, no error, so you can get database integrity information. Now it is related with ADOM. Now we can focus on troubleshooting device and ADOM database. Now let's focus on how to troubleshoot our device registration process or ADOM database information. So remember our provisioning template information, everyone. Provisioning template,
Yeah.
device level setting. So we can create multiple provisioning template or device level setting, and these provisioning template we can push into the device. Remember this option, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So in case if you want to verify which provisioning template we are using with which device. For example, I have multiple provisioning template, but I want to verify. For example, provisioning template 1, provisioning template 2. So I want to verify assigned devices. I want to verify device information. Template 1, provisioning template 1, we are using with local FortiGate firewall box, or we are using with remote FortiGate firewall box. So you can go in provisioning template, you can click on system template. Here you can get all provisioning template list information, and you can get device assigned to device. So the first option you can verify here. Second option, what you can do, you can go in device and group. You can go with the device, for example, local FortiGate, and I want to verify provisioning template information in local FortiGate. So system template is what? Default. So for local FortiGate, we are using this provisioning template. Clear my point?
Yeah.
So multiple ways to verify which template is assigned to which managed device. So either you can verify with this option or you can verify with this option. Now, okay, troubleshoot provisioning templates. So we can verify, for example, a template 1 is pushed with FortiGate firewall box 1, or it's attached with ADOM 1. So I want to verify what configuration is available in provisioning template. With graphical page, what I can do? With graphical page, what I can do, I can go into the provisioning template, system template, click onto this default template, and I can verify DNS entry, right, Mundan? Ansham? With graphical page, in case if I want to verify template configuration, so I can do this. I can follow this step. Ansham, Mundan, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, but in case if I want to verify same information, but with CLI command, so you can use this option. Command is execute FM policy print provisioning template. Command is what? Print provisioning template, and template in ADOM, my ADOM. So this is my ADOM. It's a new ADOM we are using. For example, like ADOM 1, ADOM 2. So this is what my ADOM. So my ADOM system template type. So you can get number. See, if you type question mark here, you can get the detailed information. Now package information, And 15 is what? 15 we are using for DNS configuration. If you type question mark, so you can get multiple options. Let me show you. Let me show you on CLI option. CLI, wait. Execute FM policy print. This command is not available here. Why? Okay, I'm using 6.2. Wait. Print ADOM device. Please wait. Let me check. This command is not visible here. Everyone?
Yeah, it's having a print add-on database.
Yes, but print ADOM database. Okay. Print ADOM database.
No.
This command. Okay, let me check. But
Yeah.
see, we have a separate command bundle. Okay. To verify
Yeah.
template information, provision, we have a separate command. Print provisioning template. Print hyphen provisioning hyphen templates. This command, but this
Yeah.
command is not.
Even my version is 7. I
Yes,
cannot see
yes.
that.
But let me check. Let me check one more time.
Okay.
Wait. Let's restore a device. Wait. I'm trying to restore a device first. 192, 168, 168, 255, 196. Everyone can hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ansham, Munral, okay.
Yes.
So this command is not available with this OS version, so no problem. Let's try this command. Print ADOM package. Okay. This command we can use to verify our policy package information and provisioning template. Okay, both. So print ADOM package. Now here we have our default VDOM. Remember, we have a default VDOM root
Root. Yeah.
ADOM. Sorry, okay. So you can see this is the number. Either you can use a number or you can use a ADOM name. So for example, our ADOM name is root. Now you can type question mark information. So multiple options are available. Multiple options are available. So remember this 5 number. Ghanshyam
Yep.
Mandal. So 5 number we are using for.
System tab.
Okay. So you can use 5. Now question mark. You can get package name information. So wait. I think we are not using any package. Okay, no package is available. Wait. Execute FM policy print package root system template. Wait, system template default 1473. Now here we have multiple options. So I want to verify DNS entry. Okay, see 15 number. Monreal.
Yeah.
15 number we are using for DNS because see in system template multiple informations are available. So through CLI, if I want to verify DNS configuration into this template, so here we have 15. So this number is what? These are the numbers. Okay, what you want to verify. So right now, as per our slide, our requirement is 15. So we are trying to verify DNS information. All. So you can see there is no any DNS entry, but we are getting some output, right? Everyone, let's configure some entry in DNS. Wait. Let's go into the provisioning template, default, and in DNS entry, we are using 8.8.8.8, 4.2.2. You can click on apply. You can click on apply, and now let's go on to the device and group. Quick install. This time we can get, I hope this time we can get DNS related information. Clear my point, what I'm saying? Mundal?
Yes. Yeah.
Guys, either you can go with a graphical page. Graphical page is very simple, okay? You can go in provisioning templates, system template, click on template, and you can verify DNS entry. In case if you want to verify DNS information with CLI command, so you can use. So see this print provisioning templates command is not working with this OS version. So that's why I'm using print ADOM package. Clear my point? Why I'm using this option? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Well, see this time what I'm getting? DNS entry. I hope this command is clear.
Yeah.
Everyone? Okay. Now let's verify other commands in text. So now in case if you want to verify device database information, okay, device object information. For example, I have multiple objects in ADOM 1. I want to verify all object information. Okay, so yes, you can verify with these command. I'm not using all the command, but you can use you can use as per your requirement. But I hope this syntax is clear, right?
Yeah.
Command syntax is clear. Now, wait. Troubleshoot ADOM database. See, here you can verify database information. Okay, if you want to compare device database with ADOM database, device database with ADOM database, sorry, you can use this command, execute FM policy, print ADOM package, and my ADOM, it's a ADOM name, and this is number. Okay, if you type question mark, you can get number information. Now, this is what firewall policy all. So you can get all policy information, policy 1, policy 2 into this ADOM. So you can verify device database, or if you want to verify all policy package information, all policy, display firewall policy for a managed FortiGate. So you can use this command with CLI option. Otherwise, graphical is simple. On graphical page, you can click on policy and package, policy and object option. Here you can get all policy package information. All policy package information. You can get installation target. So either you can verify this information with the graphical page, or you can go with the CLI option. Now we need to focus on import and installation issues. Okay, sometime we are facing a problem. Okay, issue with to install any policy package and to install any device level configuration. So if you are getting this message, okay, for example, you are getting this message, failed something. Okay, let me show you. Wait, this kind of message. Okay, you are trying to import device level configuration. Everyone, Kansham, Mundal,
Yes.
are trying to import some device level configuration. So once you import all the configuration, you are getting this message, download import report. So you know, I want to verify import report, import information. Is there any issue available? So you can see we are getting a message, skipped one policy object. So into this installation process, into this import process, we are getting this message, skip one policy or object. So to verify, you can download your import report. You can open this download this import report file, and here into this file you can get the detailed information. You can get the detailed information why we are facing this issue. Why we are facing this issue. If I'm trying to import any configuration, why I'm facing this issue. So you can see firewall address. This is firewall address object, fail, name test PC. This is object name. It's fail to import. Why? The reason is interface. So any port number 6. Guys, whenever we are creating any object, we can define interface information. Remember our FortiGate firewall training? Let me show you. If you are creating any object, Munral, so you can define your interface information also, right, everyone? Remember?
Yes. Yeah.
No problem. I'm telling you. Wait. You can click on address, and for example, I'm creating single IP address object. Oh, wait. So I'm creating object, for example, let's create object, single IP address object. So LAN -PC1 200.255/32. So either you can see, here's the option interface. So this 200 on any interface, or in case if you want to bind this IP address with particular interface, for example, with port number 3. So this IP address object always come with port number 3. I want to bind. Clear my point, Mundal, Kansham?
Yes, clear.
So you can bind your object information with particular interface. So here we are facing this issue. See, reason is what? Why it's failed? Reason is, the reason is in your object configuration. See, test PC. This is object, and you are using what? Any.
Any.
You are using any. You can see. See, interface any port number 6 binding failed. Binding failed. Why? See, failed to import test PC object and associated with firewall policy. Test object is bound with any interface in ADOM database, and same test PC object is bound with port number 6 on FortiGate. So that is the issue. Clear my point?
Yeah.
Clear my point?
Yes, yes.
Ghanshyam?
Yes, clear.
Okay, now, wait. Okay, now we can face this issue when we are trying to install any policy package. Sometime, if you're installing any policy package, so you can face this issue. See, installation preparation, total 2 success, 1 error, and 1 warning. So sometimes, if you are installing any policy package and if you are facing this issue, policy package cannot be installed or it's a failed to copy. So for troubleshooting, you can go with detailed information. Here is a option. You can click onto this icon. Okay, you can click onto this option and you can get a detailed information. You can get a detailed information, for example, complete process history. Okay, so you can see training, device group training cannot be empty something. My point is, whenever you are facing, problem to install any policy package, so you can get option to verify the detailed information. What is the problem exactly? Okay, is there any object issue or is there any other configuration issue? You can verify. So we are facing problem sometime to install any policy package. So you can get this information, like this option, we can get detailed information. What is the problem exactly? So same option we can verify here. If you are installing any policy package, so for detailed information, one by one, you can see. You can click here and you can get the detailed tab. Failed installation. Okay, with logs information, you can verify. For example, this is the understanding failed installation log. So try to verify. See, this is what configuration. We have configuration on FortiManager, configuration on FortiGate firewall box. So you can see local FortiGate firewall box. You are creating an object with this command, config user device, edit my device. It's object name. And into this object, you are creating a Mac. Wait. So new device, new object name, my device, add, failed to add. Why? Because, wait. This command is for object configuration. Mundal, Ansham, and this command is for policy configuration. Everyone, can you hear me?
Yes.
What I'm telling you, see, we are trying to verify failed installation logs. Why it's failed, okay? So you can use this command. This command we are using to create an object. This command we are using to create our policy. For example, we are creating a policy with this command. Into this policy, you can define your policy ID, interface information, all the information you can define, and then set device, its object name. My device is an object name. So if I'm adding this object into this policy, I'm facing this issue. Wonder. Entry not found. So this object information is not available in database. See, Wonder, we are doing with CLI option. So we need to type everything manually, Ghanshyam, right?
Yeah.
With graphical page, everyone, with graphical page, what you can do with graphical page, you can just click and you can get all object information. With graphical page, you can see if I'm creating any policy, I can define parameters, incoming, outgoing interface, and source. So here I can get all the object information and I can select as per my requirement. Yes or no? With graphical page, we can do this. If I'm creating
Yes.
same firewall policy,
Yeah.
if I'm creating same firewall policy, but with CLI option, then I need to define everything manually. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So if I'm adding this object information into this policy, I'm facing this issue. This issue is what? This object is not available. This object is not available. So you need to create this object first, then you can add. So command failed, return code 3, -3. It's a return code. You are getting this something code information about this error. You are getting some return code information. Now let's go on to here. So I'm trying to create an object. So config user device, edit my device. Now new entry added. Now I'm using next command. So MAC address cannot be set. So MAC address cannot be set to 0. For example, if I'm using MAC address this into this format, so I'm facing this issue. So you need a proper sequence. Like for example, if I'm creating a MAC address object with graphical page, it's a very simple task. You can select your type and you can define like this. Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
the format to create a MAC address object. Here we are creating MAC address object. So this is what object name my device. Object is created, but there's no any entry. So local my device. Next, now there's no any entry. MAC address cannot be 0. So you are facing this issue because you are using a wrong command. For my point is what? You are using a wrong command. So to create your object, you need to verify your command syntax here. And in case if you're trying to add any object into the policy, and if object is not available, our policy failed to add my device as a device object because this object is not available. So you know guys, sometimes we are facing some problem, to install object information, to install policy information. Clear my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's focus on, okay, this is our topic. Yes. This is our day 6, everyone. I hope this day 6 is clear. Now we can focus on day 7 concept. And in day 7 concept, actually we have 2 topics in day 7. Day 7, the first topic will focus on high availability configuration. And second will focus on how to use your FortiManager device as a FortiGuard server. So your FortiManager device can act as a FortiGuard server for all your Fortinet products. For example, if your Fortinet products, if they want to download latest signature update, so no need to go on FortiGuard servers, so no need to go on internet side. All your Fortinet devices, they can download all the signatures update from FortiManager. Clear?
Yes.
Clear my point? If you want to if you want to push any signature update, or if you want to verify all import or push signature information, so you can go with this centralized FortiManager device. So we have 2 topics to discuss: high availability and high availability and FortiGuard service. So what is high availability? Remember guys, our concept about high availability.
Yes, as a backup.
High availability, we are using failover concept, right? Failover.
Yeah.
Okay, Munir, remember high availability in FortiGate firewall box? In FortiGate, we can implement active passive high availability, right? And we
Yep.
can go with
Active.
in FortiGate firewall box. But in FortiManager, you cannot use active. In FortiManager, you can only configure active passive scenario. Clear? If you have
Okay.
multiple FortiManager devices, and if you want to implement high availability, so you can go with active passive concept. Active passive concept. So why high availability is required? If one FortiManager device is failed, then other will take the responsibility, right? Other FortiManager device will take the responsibility. So all FortiManager device in cluster must be same model. This is the requirement, right? Same kind of requirement we need in FortiGate firewall scenario. Yes or no, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Like in FortiGate, we need same model. We need to have same firmware version. We need to have same set of licenses, same type of interfaces. But yes, we can use different priority, right? Can we take a break for 5 minutes? Then we can continue this high availability. Today,
Yes,
we'll
sure.
focus.
Yeah.
Today, we will focus on only high availability concept. Okay.
Okay.
FortiGuard service we'll discuss tomorrow. So tomorrow we can finish our FortiManager. Clear?
Okay. Yep.
So let's take a break for 5 minutes. We can
Okay.
continue at 3:55. Please turn off your mic.
Okay.
Hello, Ghanshyam, Kunal,
Yes.
Yes.
everyone. Can we do this topic tomorrow? I have some work right now. Okay. So
Okay. All right. No problem.
Okay.
let's continue this high availability topic tomorrow. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
tomorrow is the
All right.
last class?
Yes, tomorrow we can do 2 hour session.
Yep.
3 to 5. So we can try to
Okay.
finish our high availability and FortiGuard services. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
And
All right.
Ghanshyam, Kunal, guys, please, if you guys not available in session, please drop a message always. Okay,
Okay.
everyone. Bye, guys. Take care.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.